Okay guys, a new day, a new project, and here I have something hopefully fixable. That's a keyboard. No, a musical instrument. And I found this, a Roland EXR5. I bought it with only 40 euros or 40 something dollars. This is an amazing price. Well, it's looking pretty okay. A few plastic caps here missing. Another one here from the power. That shouldn't be a problem. The keys are okay. It feels okay. We have a floppy drive right here. And you see, the front it's missing from the floppy, but doesn't bother the functionality. A little rusty or something. That shouldn't be a problem. It's nice arranger, so you have a orchestra at your fingers. It appears it came around 2004, 2005. Have a general MIDI and GS-XJ sound module compatible. The piano sounds are including some of the famous RD series pianos, so that should be interesting. Of course, it can be used with MIDI, like a MIDI sound module with the MIDI in. The output can be used to control another sequencer or sound module, whatever, like a MIDI controller. Input, outputs, and power supply, and so on. You see, the owner told me that this keyboard it's dead, so it doesn't turn on. And as you can see here, the power supply involves a 12 volts power supply with 2.5 amps. It needs a lot of power because it have an amplifier in there, and it needs current, you know, to do the job. But the plus, it's outside, so the middle of the power plug, it's minus. So people have the tendency to use any power adapter or power supply they found around, even laptop ones, you know, and stuff like that. And you can imagine what happens if you plug a laptop like 5 amps or something with the reverse polarity to this plug in here. So that's why the first thing what I have done was to check the schematic, which luckily I could find on the internet. Here we go. And that's the service manual for this guy. And let's check the schematic, because if I'm lucky, we'll find something interesting there. And it's also nice to know. Mainboard, no. And where is the right here? Check this out. So here we have the plug, and then we have a coil. That's the main switch. And look what we got here. You see, MA7D49, and that's a Schottky diode. And that means if we reverse the polarity, the rest of the circuit, it's protected, because the Schottky diode is going only one way with the right polarity. And in this case, we have the plus up here. The output, of course, the out ring, it's on plus. So we are protected, and this is a really good sign. Okay, so the next step, let me see if we have any life at the plug. So I'm doing this simply connecting an adapter. Let me see if the switch is on. Now it's on for sure. We should have some numbers here, and let's put it on 200 Ks. Okay, so exactly what I meant. It's working only one way, but I can see a capacitor going up 13 point something. So that means we have connection to the plug. Now I'm fixing my power supply on 12 volt with let's say around 1 amp, because I don't want to have surprises. Okay, of course nothing there. I have 12.3. And let's power on this guy. You see the power switch cap is missing there. Button and power on. Are you kidding me? This is running. I can hear the disc spinning. That's funny. Oh, what was just happening? Oh yeah, my wire got disconnected from the power supply. There we go. You see? It's lighting. I can see the activity on the display. Tone, piano. Oh, okay, so all the switches are stuck. Okay, yes, I need to check all these switches. This is broke. All the switches have to be okay, but also no sound. That means even the loudspeakers are dead, or the power amplifier it's dead, or something in between. But I see activity there. There are patches changing. Piano. Okay, so no sound here. All we can do now is to let me plug my amplifier. A sip of coffee. I got signal. There we go. Okay. Okay, this needs to be checked. Lot of keys not working. Yeah. Let's see if we have the arranger working. This is dead. So, what can I say? Key's not working. This is fixable. All these switches need to be revised, checked. A new button there, a missing button there, in fact. So, half of the job it's done. The keyboard is working. Next step, open it up. Check the keys. Okay. Okay, bender. Bender, it's working. The bender, it's working. Yeah, this was the first step. Stay tuned for the second. I'll open it up and see, of course, what's happening inside there. And you see, that's it for today. Push like, don't forget to subscribe, and of course, have fun. See you soon with the next episode. Bye.